All right, Energy Tech, let's continue our Take No Prisoners rampage through multiple choice 1 through 28. Number 4, let's go. Which statement is true about every parallelogram? Okay, well, hopefully you remember it, because you should remember these properties or memorize them. But, let's say that you don't. Well, good thing that you can make a good old-fashioned drawing to help. All right, that's a very rough parallelogram, but it'll do the job. Let's test these. All four sides are congruent. Well, no, clearly not, right? This top and bottom sides are much longer than the left and right sides, so no. The interior angles are all congruent. I don't think that's true either, right? This is a obtuse angle. This is an acute angle. I do not think that they could possibly be congruent. Two pairs of opposite sides are congruent. Well, hopefully you remember that that is a true fact about parallelograms, but if you don't, it seems reasonable, right? These opposite sides look like they're about congruent. Top and bottom sides look like they're about congruent. So we're thinking, maybe it's 3. Just in case, let's look at 4. The diagonals are perpendicular. Does that seem like it could be true? Well, no. Again, this is going to be an obtuse angle. This is going to be an acute angle. Perpendicular seems like it's out of the question, so the answer is indeed 3. One comment I do just want to make. If you are using pictures like this to help aid your memory, that's fine. Again, though, remember that a picture by itself is not proof, right? If you were to make an argument that the opposite sides here are congruent, right? That would have to be based on the fact that that is a property of a parallelogram, right? It's not enough. It's not enough just to say that they look congruent. It's also important, if you're using pictures to guide your reasoning like this, that you draw several of them, right? What if I had happened to draw my parallelogram in such a way that it looks like this? Well, now, all of a sudden, the thought that all 4 sides are congruent, right? Option A here looks a lot more reasonable based on this picture, right? If I had drawn this picture instead of this picture, I might have mistakenly thought the answer was number 1. So that's an argument in favor of maybe drawing a couple different parallelograms, right? If you're really stuck on a question like this, to make sure that you're not overlooking something. All right, but the answer is 3, right? We were able to narrow it down. So that's question number 4 done.